Shiba Inu takes the top spot among the leading ERC20 tokens despite the latest fall in price. The whales are securing the most out of the Shiba Inu dip by adding more and more SHIB tokens to their portfolio. Recently, an Ethereum whale is spotted with over 1.6 trillion SHIB tokens on its wallet. Why whales are taking advantage of this recent price drop? Is this something planned by Robinhood insiders? What is coming next? These questions will be answered today. We will also analyze if you should buy more Shiba Inu in this recent price drop to become a millionaire. So stick around for that because today's video is full of SHIB updates. So let's get started. Everyone wants to get good profit in the last month of this year. Many of us already got enough profit and become millionaires from Shiba Inu in October and the second quarter of 2021 and mainly in August month. Still, many SHIB holders are holding millions of tokens expecting that Shiba Inu will cut a few zeros out from its price and will give good return. If you are one of those holders are planning to buy Shiba Inu dips, then this video is for you. The trend of whales making big splashes in the market continues, especially for Shiba Inu. As first reported by Business Insider, the Ethereum whale has purchased close to $1.8 million worth of cryptocurrency over the last few days to add an additional 50 billion tokens to its stash. The transaction was first spotted by Whale States, which reported an activity from the largest 1,000 wallets on the Ethereum network. How many Shiba Inu you are holding? Do share your SHIB holding in comment section down below. The wallet Dubjaria has been making other large bets on SHIB over the Binance Smart Chain as well, recently scooping up over 100 billion tokens for $3.5 million. Its wallet, according to Etherscan data, shows the whale is holding over 200 different assets. According to Watcher Guru, the recent pullback of Shiba Inu's meme token might have inflated concern in some trading communities, but the large cryptocurrency market professionals, also known as whales, do not seem to be worried about the recent price action. Some crypto enthusiasts predict this massive purchase to be something done by Robinhood. What you think about such massive purchases? Do let us know in the comment section down below. Meanwhile, Shiba Inu has been trading downwards in the past few weeks. The meme coin is trading with a profit of over 2% in the last 24 hours. However, the data indicates that the whale investors may be expecting a price surge in the market and are therefore buying the dip. But is this good news for Shiba Inu? Well, this helps Shiba Inu to hold its price or pump more? Yes. With an increasing number of whales on the market, retail traders will no longer constitute the majority of the market in whales. In contrast to small traders tend to hold their position until new highs arrive. Over the past few months, the Shiba Inu community has seen several positive developments that are culminating in sentiments being highly bullish for SHIB. One such development has been the recent announcement that the token would soon be used in its own blockchain game. The watershed movement is expected to be a down factor for SHIB that would greatly reduce its supply in the market. This was announced by one of the token's leading developers, Satoshi Kusama, who described the planned features to be the future of gaming. Further, a few days back, according to Whale State data, the Shiba Inu coins has the maximum number of whales and massive average holding. Each SHIB whales on average has purchased over 20 billion SHIB tokens worth $1.1 million. But the major question is why whales are buying more and even in the downtrend of Shiba Inu price. To understand this, let's check the history of purchases done in this month and the amount associated to each. The increasing number of whales is usually considered a good sign for an asset since large traders and crypto investors are the ones who control prices on the market and can change the direction of the price trend. However, there is another biggest news for Shiba Inu holders that Shiba Inu become largest ERC20 holding among top 1000 death wallets. Yes, as per the tweet done by Whale State, Shiba Inu breaks through the smaller altcoin to regain its top among the most popular ERC20 tokens. After a strong 50% market correction. Shiba Inu lost part of its capitalization and, more importantly, popularity among Ethereum whales that decided to shift attention to other tokens that they seem to believe have a growth potential greater than SHIB, BEST, OKB, and Crow. But still, the major question that is in everyone's mind is, will SHIB hit 1 cent? To hit 1 cent is difficult but not impossible. What if we reduce the token supply and burn massive token? Well, in that way, it is possible to cut few zeros out of its price or even hit 1 cent. The process of removing tokens out of the circulating supply by sending tokens to a dead wallet address is known as the burning process. Developers of the Shiba Inu ecosystem are aware of these massive supply problems and introduced many burn projects to date. Recently, we got an update from Satoshi, the lead developer of Shiba Inu, about another massive burn project coming this last quarter of 2021. Almost every crypto experts and analysts are bullish towards Shiba Inu, not just because of Shiba Inu hype on social media, but due to the upcoming Robinhood listing and developers projects like NFT game, Play to Earn, on blockchain, and Ryoshi token that all too in this last quarter. According to FX Street News, Shiba Inu price can rally up to 1000 Satoshi units this month to cut one more zero out of its price. If this happens, this will definitely be a new all-time high of the Shiba Inu coin, and the holders are waiting with millions of tokens in their wallets. This will be the start for them. With this, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.